Good morning, YouTube family. It's Satoshi Boomin here, coming at you with another video. Guys, it's a crazy day today. We all know it. But before we get into the video here, take a look at my Twitter here, Boomin Satoshi, twitter.com. I post every day, and I follow back. So, yeah, let's get right into it. So we know yesterday we had the great flash crash. Vechain took a pretty big dump. I think at the height of the dump, Vechain went down 16%, and it looks like we are now back at around a loss of 10%. Yeah, so people are wondering what's going on. People are wondering why we crashed. It's always whales and people who don't care about their Bitcoin, and we're going to get into that a little bit later. But I wanted to make this video specifically because a lot of people who are new to the crypto community, they're scared, they don't know what's going on, they're not used to this volatility in this market. And like I said, if you take a look at my description, this market is not for the faint of heart, guys. If you can't handle little dips here and there of 15 to 20%, then this market is not for you. That's why this market is so fascinating and exciting, because yes, we can have a 20% dump like we had yesterday, but the next day it could shoot up 50% and everyone makes their money back and more. And the way to navigate through these uncertain waters is to just stack and chill. Don't go out and put your credit card and take out a second to buy these coins, because guys, at the end of the day, this stuff is already speculative enough as it is. So you going out and using more leverage on an already speculative asset, yes, you can become rich, super rich, but you could also lose all your Bitcoin. You could lose all your Vechain. You could lose all your coins. People are getting liquidated. I see it all over Twitter. The butt hurt today is real, guys. Like, people are freaking out. And it's kind of funny to me because, you know, if they're freaking out about a little crash like this, what's going to happen when Bitcoin goes from 10,000, 100,000 to 70,000? People are going to lose their mind. Am I concerned? Absolutely not, guys. Like, I am holding strong. I'm probably going to be filling up my bags here a little bit with some more Vechain at a discounted rate. It's already discounted. You know we're looking for $2 here. It's going to happen. I haven't lost the faith in Vechain, and I hope you haven't too. If you are new to this crypto space, please remember that these dumps are normal. It's a normal Tuesday to me right now, even though it's Sunday. This doesn't faze me because I know that the fundamentals haven't changed. Nothing has changed. In that 10 minutes that it just plummeted, Sunny Lou didn't exit scam. You know, Vechain didn't just say, oh yeah, we're just playing about all our partners, and yeah, we're not gonna do the the agriculture deal that we just set up. Like, we just exit scammed. Like, that did not happen in that 2 seconds of a whale literally selling all his Bitcoin just to buy it up on another exchange. And that's what happens when we have these flash crashes. Some bored whale who is bored and has nothing better to do but to trade and risk millions of dollars. He took his $50,000 worth, 50,000 Bitcoin, or however much Bitcoin he had, and then he sold it on the market while also having a short position open on a leverage trading exchange. We're going to get into that, the leverage trading. Before I get into that, guys, I have never seen so much butt hurt in my life. And granted, I was not around in 2016, 2017, 2018, but the amount of people complaining that they got liquidated yesterday is insane. What are you doing putting your Bitcoin up like that? That's your fault. Why are you trading 100x leverage, 1000x leverage, and expecting that to work out for you? When has that worked out for anyone other than the exchanges? Unless you're a whale with 50,000K worth of Bitcoin and you can actively manipulate the market, you should not be putting longs in. You should not be putting shorts in. You should not be trading with 100x leverage. That's dumb. You got noobs out here getting completely wrecked, completely liquidated with their mom's credit card and their dad's credit card and their trust fund money because they want to make a quick buck and do 100x leverage. And then when they get liquidated, they cry on Twitter talking about, oh, Bitcoin's a scam. I got liquidated. I had 1000x leverage on BitMEX. Well, yeah. I mean, what do you expect? What do you expect, guys? Like, this is not rocket science. The more leverage you use, the more risk you're going to take. And sooner or later, you're going to get liquidated because whales, they have the control. They control the market right now. Until the halving occurs and exchanges take control, which they will soon, BitMEX, Binance, Coinbase, as soon as they get their leverage trading system open, they're going to start controlling the price. But right now, it's whales and miners, people who bought at 1 cent. They got 50,000, 100,000 Bitcoin. They're selling it on one exchange while having shorts open on another exchange, and they're making a killing. Don't do that. Stack your sats, stack your Vechain, and chill. And another reason why I wanted to bring this up is because, again, nothing has changed. Let's move on. Let's take a look here. We did a story here a couple of days ago. Vechain picked to spearhead the use of blockchain solutions in the Solutions in Asia Pacific Providence Council, APPC. This didn't change. The partnership didn't vanish away. They're still going to be doing tracking of supply chains. They're still going to be doing tracking such as temperature, humidity, and other components when it comes to produce. I've been talking about this for the past 2 weeks now since I've started my channel. Vechain, guys, is the future of supply chain management. Nothing has changed. Sunny Lou didn't exit scam. Relax, guys. My Twitter is just insane. People are freaking out like they've never experienced a dip before. The fundamentals haven't changed. Vechain is still king. Yes, we had a little bit of a dip yesterday, 16%, but I'm not phased. Fill up your bags, guys. And to further compound this point, guys, I'm actually going to go through this because people, when you invest, you have to understand that the crypto market is not like the stock market at all. Yes, they might go up and down together. Excuse me 1 second. Yes, they might seem similarly correlated, but the stock market has been around for a very long time. It's more liquid than the cryptocurrency market, so there's more money in it, so manipulation is a lot less easy. All you need to do to manipulate the crypto market is have 30k Bitcoin, dump it on an exchange, and the price goes down. If you have a lot of money, you can buy 30k worth of Bitcoin and the price goes up. It's not like stocks, guys. This is a whole different asset class who's still young, we still got a lot of growing to do. Let's take a look at these partnerships, just in case you don't believe me. I mean, guys, DNVGL, globally operating company that provides audit certification services, confirming organization meets certain requirements. Huge company. Services in the maritime, renewable energy, oil and gas, food, beverage, as well as healthcare industries. Nothing's changed. Vechain still has this. PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, Big Four auditors, IBM, Ford, Dell, Cisco, 3M, some of the largest clients providing auditing services of 400 plus out of the 500 Fortune 500 companies. Nothing happened to this partnership. NRCC, I don't know what that is. That's some Chinese company, but they look pretty big. Another Chinese company, BitOcean. China level partnerships. Where's China Walmart? Where's that? This might be an older one. But China of Walmart did not leave. Guys, we're still okay. I still think that Vechain will get to $2. I thought that the dump was gonna happen, after the halving, but it seems that it happened before the halving, and that's okay. I think we're gonna go sideways for about 2 more months, and then the full realization of the halving will occur. That's why I told you guys, do not sell your Bitcoin. People don't understand that the halving means that they're gonna cut the supply of Bitcoin in half. There's gonna be less Bitcoin circulating unless whales sell it. And there's going to be less centralization of miners. The centralization of Bitcoin is going to move towards exchanges, and it's in their best interest to keep the price up. And not only that, the stock to flow models show that a Bitcoin price of $14,000 to $15,000 is going to keep miners profitable. So we still have that to look forward to. Don't sell your Bitcoin. It's going to be a lot harder to acquire Bitcoin as the time goes on. Think about it. Before the second halving of 2016, you can get Bitcoin for $600. I think at the lowest you could get it for like $300. Boy, were those the days. So don't sell your Bitcoin. Keep stacking sats. Keep stacking your Vechain, guys. It still could go to $2. Nothing has changed. I wanted to show this again. Whale alert on Twitter. This could give you signals on how the market is moving. So right now, a lot of people are in stable coins. Packs. Somebody, cashed out their position. $5 million packs. $80 million USDT printed. Tether, geez, please help us get back to where we were, Tether. I'm counting on you. So I've been looking at this, and especially when you start to see, $30 million worth of Bitcoin transferred from an unknown wallet to Binance. When you start to see that over and over and over again, a dump is coming. 2,000 at a time. Then, the whale transferred, 2,500 Bitcoin to OKX. 2,000 more Bitcoin to OKX. So you can see what's happening in real time with Whale Alert, and that's why I like it, because you can see what the whales are doing. So go ahead and follow this channel here, this page here, Whale Alert on Twitter. I don't use this for trading, but I use it to kind of gauge, what big money is doing, so that, I can see what's going on. And it looks pretty, standard. Whales sold in order to scare people out and shake out weak hands, and then they're going to buy back at a lower rate. This is what they do. That's why you need to hold strong. Hold on to your Bitcoin, hold on to your Vechain, hold on to your Cardano. Don't sell unless you need the money for sustenance. Then I understand. But if you're just selling because you're scared and you can't stand to see a red number on your screen, then this is not the market for you. And that's okay. Go to the stock market, put your money into an index fund, get your 3% a year, and live your life. But if these little dips here are going to scare you away and have you, punch in the air and having Twitter fingers, then please get out, because you don't need it. You don't need this kind of stress. The crypto market is not for everybody. Like, We could dump 50% today. Like, you don't know. We are at the mercy right now of miners and whales. And until that changes, this market is going to be extremely volatile. Just remember that. 3 reasons for the Bitcoin price having dumped from 8K from 10K to 8.1K. The Bitcoin price dropped from 10K to 8.1K, liquidating $200 million worth of longs. Stop putting your money on BitMEX, guys. I mean, you're just making Arthur Hayes is going to be the next trillionaire because of you guys. You guys are just giving him your money by doing these dumb leverage positions. Like, I know we're greedy. I know we all want to make money out here, but there's different ways. There are better ways to make money. Do research. Research a coin. Pick a low market cap coin with a good, solid business model. Buy the coin and hold it. Have some patience. But no, I want to take my Bitcoin that I got from my grandma for my birthday, go on to BitMEX, and try to trade it with 1000x leverage, and then when I lose it and get liquidated, I want to cry on Twitter talking about how Bitcoin's a scam and how BitMEX stole my money. Just stop. It's childish and it's kind of funny. I don't want anyone to lose their Bitcoin, but if you're that reckless, then I mean, horse to water, right? Bitcoin price dropped from 10,000 to 8,000 within just over a day. As it's plunged by a 9% in a single hour, it liquidated $20 million worth of longs, obliterating the futures market. 3 key reasons that it triggered the immense Bitcoin correction was strong multi-year resistance area above 10,000, whales moving to short the market on BitMEX, and extreme volatility heading into the halving. Exactly. And then it goes down here to say 10,200 to 10,500 is a strong multi-year resistance level, and as we can see here, that is a very strong resistance level here. We're hard pressed to top that for quite a while. Whales quickly moved to sell Bitcoin at the point of rejection. Okay, so like I said, the whales, they wanted to make a quick profit. So what they do is they open up a short position on one exchange. They dump their Bitcoin, their 2,000 Bitcoin, their 20,000 Bitcoin, however much Bitcoin they have. They dump it, flash crash the price, and then with the money they made from the shorts, they're buying it back up. You can't beat the whales, guys. That's why you need to hold on to your Bitcoin. That's why you need to hold on to your Vechain. And then we have massive volatility. This is already a speculative asset. Don't make it more speculative by trading on BitMEX. Just stop. Everybody could get rich. You don't need to gamble on 100x leverage. In a story that I don't kind of agree with, but I can see what this person is trying to say, Bitcoin can't be a safe haven, and 100x leverage is the reason why. I still think it could be a safe haven. I just don't think it could be a safe haven against stupidity and greed. Despite some championing, it is clear Bitcoin is still a risky asset on a peripheral investment frontier and not a safe haven at all. FUD. Bitcoin is simply not going to be a primary concern for capital swimming around in traditional markets. Remember, this is a time where assets like U.S. equities are enduring unprecedented volatility. There will be a need to return for frothy markets and the comeback of marginal greed in order to see more institutional players wandering inside the crypto gates. And we can see here a chart of the volatility, implied volatility, realized volatility right here. And then, story of why 100 times leverage is now commonplace in crypto markets. Just people are being greedy, man, and they just want to give their Bitcoin to, they just want to give their Bitcoin to exchanges. I think I don't understand. I mean, you got people out here falling for YouTube scams. It's clearly a scam if they say, "Oh yeah, send me 1 Bitcoin, I'll send you 10 back." That's clearly a scam, but you got people falling for it. So people are just either not good with their money, they want to get scammed, or greed just clouds their judgment so far that they can't make rational decisions. And while I don't agree with this statement, I mean, it's looking true now. Unless and until exchanges take it upon themselves to fix the problem, Bitcoin won't mature anything from being a gyrating toy into an asset of real interest for traditional market players. I don't agree with that. I think it's already a real asset for traditional market players. I just think people are dumb. And they're greedy. And they just, I don't know what they want to do. But I'm just tired of all the butt hurt. Like, this is a risky game, guys. It's already risky. Why would you make it even more risky? Hold on to your Bitcoin, stack your sats, stack your Vechain, and chill. Bitcoin block reward halving countdown. Still a thing, still gonna happen. Doesn't matter if people get liquidated on BitMEX. Doesn't matter if, whales manipulate the price. This thing is still gonna happen. And there's nothing that can stop it unless the internet gets shut down. The halving is still gonna occur. The supply is still gonna increase. The supply is still gonna decrease, and the demand is still gonna stay the same. Sure, some people got shooken out, but there'll be more. I know I'm not going anywhere. Are you? And let's take a look at the market. We have a sea of red, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have made it this far in the video, tell me what you think, guys. Did you sell? Did you capitulate yesterday? Were you scared? Go ahead and comment down there below. We're still giving away a Nano Ledger S. I got an amazing response to my video yesterday. So if we can keep that up, guys, that'd be great. Please subscribe as well so you never miss a video. I think I'm going to be bringing more Vechain videos out. There's not a whole lot of Vechain specific channels out there, but that's just because there's not a whole lot of news. But I will try to make a Vechain video more often because I am bullish still. I'm still bullish. Even after all this BS happened here, I still think it could go to $2. I'm not giving up. Status is up. I don't know what that is. Isn't this supposed to be a stable coin, but it's never like $1? Tyrion is up. I don't know what that is. Just looks like stable coins and pump and dumps are up right now. OX with the big dump. Vechain had a big dump too. Yeah, so it looks like a sea of red today, guys. I don't expect things to get better until maybe midweek. The halving is still 1 day away. I will definitely be doing a video on that tomorrow. So yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. And I appreciate you guys yesterday. That was the most views I've had since starting this channel. So if you guys can top that today, can we get up to 10 likes and 120 views? That'd be great, guys. I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, hold strong. This is nothing, guys. Don't even worry about it. That's enough of me blabbing. I am out. Have a wonderful Sunday.